So I had a couple PDF files the other day. I had to put them together. I didn't know how to do it. I did some research, and this is the easiest way that I found out that you can do it. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Okay, so just go to Google and type Combine PDF. It's going to be this one right here, combinepdf.com, and you're just going to click right there. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and it's going to be very simple. It says this is a free and easy to use online tool that allows you to combine multiple PDF or image files into a single PDF. You could do up to 20 different files, and essentially you're going to click the upload file. Obviously, you're going to locate them. Once you locate it, they're going to upload, and they're going to look just like this. So as you can see, they're there. I number the page 1, 2, 3, but obviously this is not going to be good. This is supposed to be page 1. So I'm just going to grab it and put it right here because I wanted to get it in the right order. And then I'm going to click combine, and essentially it's going to download that file. We're going to click in there. We're going to open the file, and now we got a PDF right here. We got page 1, page 2, and page 3. Super simple. Subscribe. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.